Hey everyone, I'm Shannon Terrell, Senior Writer for Finder's Share Trading and Investing channel. And today we are pitting Robinhood and Coinbase against each other to nail down which is the best platform for investing in cryptocurrency. Since both of these platforms are ideal for beginners, we'll dig into how they stand up together in terms of fees, features, security, and more. First, let's start with a 30-second rundown so you know a little bit more about what you're getting into with these two trading platforms. To kick things off, both Coinbase and Robinhood offer the option to buy and sell crypto through an easy-to-use app. And in terms of security, they both provide two-factor authentication, cold storage, insurance against platform breaches, and FDIC insurance on up to $250 of USD balances. But that's where the similarities end. The biggest difference between Robinhood and Coinbase is what the apps are primarily designed for. Robinhood shines as a share trading platform. It offers crypto trading, yes, but this is sort of secondary to the bread and butter of its platform, namely stocks and funds. Coinbase, on the other hand, is a tried and true crypto exchange that exclusively offers investing and trading in coins. Because of this, its cryptocurrency lineup is a lot more comprehensive than Robinhood's. The downside, it has higher fees, whereas Robinhood is free to use. Okay, now that you know the basics, let's take a deeper dive into fees. This is where Robinhood eclipses Coinbase. You don't pay any fees for buying or trading crypto on Robinhood, a far cry from Coinbase's 0.5% trading fee, plus its 1.49% to 3.99% purchase fee, depending on the method of payment you use. However, you may end up paying above market rates with Robinhood because of payment for order flow. Payment for order flow is essentially how Robinhood makes money, and it's the reason that it's able to offer commission-free trades. Through payment for order flow, Robinhood routes customer orders to middlemen for execution, and these middlemen, also called market makers, may execute the trade at a slightly higher rate. Here's the real pickle. Robinhood doesn't disclose charges for order flow, so it's hard to say whether Robinhood really is the cheaper option or not. It could end up being more expensive than Coinbase. It really all depends on the trade. Speaking of trades, Robinhood only has 7 cryptocurrencies on its platform as of July 2021, which certainly doesn't seem like much when you compare it to Coinbase's 69 coins. Plus, Coinbase is available in 100 countries compared to Robinhood's 47 states. That said, if you're looking for a platform that can trade crypto and stocks, ETFs, and options, Robinhood takes the cake because Coinbase is strictly a crypto trading platform. Here, you're going to see just how different Robinhood and Coinbase are from one another. Aside from having a super easy to use interface for beginners, they each offer a vastly different set of platform features. Let's start with Robinhood, which shines in the following 3 areas. First, you don't need a ton of money to open an account. In fact, no minimum deposit is required. Second, you can buy fractions of shares or cryptocurrencies for as little as $1, meaning if you want to invest in Bitcoin but don't have $30,000 to purchase one coin, you can buy a piece of a coin that better fits your budget. And third, Robinhood offers limit orders, which lets you place an order to buy or sell your crypto at a specified price, giving you more control over your orders. Now, Robinhood doesn't allow you to send or receive coins from outside the platform. Your only option is to convert your USD to crypto when you purchase coins, then convert it back to USD when you want to cash out. It doesn't allow you to trade crypto or withdraw crypto. Okay, enough about Robinhood. Let's look at Coinbase's features, which in terms of purchase and trading capabilities, brings a lot more to the table. First up, you can trade crypto for another type of crypto directly on Coinbase, and you can withdraw your crypto to PayPal or your own personal wallet to use on other exchanges or platforms. It also allows you to buy crypto with credit or debit cards. Robinhood doesn't. Another star for Coinbase is that you can set up recurring buys, allowing you to automatically buy shares of your favorite coins on a set schedule. Plus, it offers staking, which is a fancy way of saying you can earn interest on your crypto. And finally, it provides a slew of ways for you to learn more about investing in crypto, including a news feed of articles on crypto, curated personally for you based on the specific coins that you've been looking at, price alerts for cryptos you have your eye on, and educational videos to teach you more about buying different coins. And bonus, you'll earn free crypto just for watching these videos. Now let's talk security, a huge issue in the crypto world. We've already discussed a few security safeguards that both platforms have, namely two-step verification, cold storage, insurance against platform breaches, and FDIC insurance. But Coinbase takes it up a notch, offering a built-in wallet that's password protected and uses an encrypted 12-word recovery phrase, plus the option to use a crypto vault for storing your investments long-term, which requires multi-email approval and has a 48-hour time delay in case the withdrawal was initiated by an unauthorized user. Okay, so we've seen how Robinhood and Coinbase stack up in terms of fees, features, and security, but let's see how this actually translates into the customer experience. Based on ratings and reviews on the Better Business Bureau and Trustpilot, neither Robinhood nor Coinbase fare particularly well. Top complaints for both revolve around issues of withdrawing funds and difficulty accessing locked accounts. And many Coinbase customers also complain of security breaches on their account and the app running ridiculously slow after the most recent updates. However, both platforms have better ratings on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, and this is based on millions of customers' feedback. Robinhood users praise the app's easy-to-use interface and its new cash management feature, while Coinbase users are impressed with its beginner-friendly platform and its educational tools that let you earn free coins. So, now that we've run through all of the specs for Robinhood and Coinbase, what's the bottom line? Well, it all comes down to your priorities. If you're looking for a trading platform that allows you to keep your stock, ETF, and crypto investments all in one place, Robinhood is the clear winner. It may also save you money thanks to its commission-free trading platform. But if you're looking for a trading platform for solely investing in crypto, then Coinbase is the way to go. It offers dozens more cryptocurrencies to choose from, as well as in-app wallets and vaults to store your crypto securely. It also supports currencies outside of US dollars. Plus, you can transfer funds into a personal wallet for trading on other platforms. So there you have it, Robinhood versus Coinbase. While they each offer user-friendly solutions for investing in coins, the right one for you ultimately depends on your crypto trading goals. You can take a deeper dive into each platform by reading our full reviews, linked in the description box below. And if you liked this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when new Finder videos drop. Thanks for watching.